Contaminated groundwater at local military bases will be the focus of a hearing in Washington, D.C. tomorrow.
U.S. Senator Alex Padilla from California says he has a lot of questions for the Department of Defense and why they are taking so long to clean up the mess. News 8's Steve Price takes a closer look at the problem.
They're called forever chemicals because they never break down, and for years they were used on hundreds of military bases across the country, including NAS North Island. According to a federal report, government officials knew for years that these could have serious health concerns, but they did nothing to immediately notify service members or surrounding communities.
It's outrageous to hear the stories from service members who raised their families near contaminated bases and didn't know about the danger until their children got sick.
Senator Alex Padilla is talking about PFAS, fire-resistant man-made chemicals that repel oil, grease, and water. For military firefighters, that made foam containing PFAS extremely effective against fires on base. But according to a federal report, the military has known for more than a decade that PFAS chemicals could carry a myriad of health problems, including cancer, fertility issues, and a decreased response to vaccines. But they continue to use them anyway.
For years and years, we've known that the military's heavy use of PFAS-based firefighting foam has impacted service members, their families, and surrounding communities. But now we have proof that the Department of Defense knew about these risks.
Making a bad situation worse, these dangerous chemicals can get into the groundwater. At Camp Pendleton, they were detected in drinking water as recently as 2019. NAS North Island has repeatedly tested positive for environmental contamination.
NAS North Island, where PFOA has been found at over 2,300 parts per trillion, and there are many other types of PFAS that have been found at similar levels.
Environmental groups suspect other bases in our county also have contamination, but don't have the testing to prove it. The Senate Committee on Homeland Security and Government Affairs has a hearing Thursday to question the Department of Defense. Among their concerns, how many bases have contamination and what's going to be done to clean them up.
So tomorrow we'll press the Department of Defense on these failures and ask how they plan to complete the work of testing and cleaning up these bases, because military communities can't wait any longer.